again today. My name is Asher. This is Volcano. He comes with Jacques LaFleur with M.A.S.K, and Matt Tracker comes with it right here with a mask that me and my dad can't remember. And he's up in this turret, where there's a small turret up there that, when you flip this switch, makes the turret turn and makes the back wheel spin. And then, on all sides, it has plate metal shredders, hubcap metal shredders that when there's two cars right next to him, he'll put these out, and as Volcano is rolling, it'll shred the metal of those cars. And the turret on top will just turn, and then there are small little pistons here that when this is in when it's in battle mode, they can turn to any angle. So if there's an enemy behind it or above it, they can be shot. And then in this form, we're missing the turret pieces for up here, and we're missing a piece for in here. But there's two small little guns that come out here, and there's two ways to make the top pop. If you turn on the wheels, there's a chance the top might pop, but if you push this back bumper, it definitely will pop. And the one episode, they're trying to get some wood. I can't even remember why, but Volcano Van was in that episode. And that's about it for Volcano Van.